Hello children, how are you? So let us continue with we started with the second part of organic chemistry, that is alkanes. Part B. Chemical properties, we were doing chemical properties of methane and ethane. Next chemical property, that is pyrolysis. Pyrolysis. What is pyrolysis? Actually, this is also called cracking. That is decomposition of compound in the absence of air. And in case of alkanes, it is called cracking. How pyrolysis takes place? This is ethane and when it is given temperature 500 degrees Celsius in the presence of catalyst aluminium oxide, it will break up into ethene. This is pyrolysis. Same way, when methane is given temperature 1500 degrees Celsius, then this will give ethine. So what is pyrolysis? That is also called cracking, that is decomposition of the compound by heat in the absence of air. So this is pyrolysis. Actually, pyrolysis is decomposition of bigger compound into the smaller one. Like suppose the compound is C10H22. This is decane. When the temperature of 500 is given in the presence of aluminium oxide as a catalyst, this will break up into, suppose this will break up into the smaller compounds, C4H10. Now 4 plus 3 7 and 3 carbon are left with, that is C3 18 or so this is C3H8. This is propane. This is butane and this is propyne. So bigger compound is broken down into the smaller one by heat in the absence of air, that is called pyrolysis. In case of alkanes, this is called cracking. So we have to decompose this compound, bigger compound, into the smaller ones, that can be alkane, that can be alkene, that can be alkyne. That is up to you, as this is having 3 plus 4 7, 7 plus 3 10 carbon and 8 plus 10 18, 18 plus 4 22 hydrogen. So that is up to you how you break. Next property, that is catalytic oxidation of alkanes. Catalytic oxidation of alkanes. So this depends upon the catalyst. First is with the methane plus oxygen, because this is oxidation, so reaction with the oxygen, and the catalyst is copper tube. When the catalyst is, both the gases are passed through the copper tube, the product formed is alcohol. This is methanol or methyl alcohol. Second one, methane plus oxygen, and the catalyst is molybdenum oxide. Catalyst is molybdenum oxide, and the product is, this is methanol or formaldehyde. Now third one, that is methane plus oxygen, and the catalyst is manganese compounds. Temperature is 100 degrees Celsius, and the product is that is methanoic acid or formic acid. So see this reaction, on the basis of the catalyst the products are formed. Methane plus oxygen, when both the gases are passed through the copper tube, then methyl alcohol is formed, and here the temperature given is 475 Kelvin and 120 atmospheric pressure. This is also the condition. Now suppose the catalyst is molybdenum oxide, that is MOO. Then the product is aldehydes. First aldehyde is methanol or formaldehyde plus water, and when methane reacts with the oxygen in the presence of manganese compound as a catalyst at 100 degrees Celsius, then the product is carboxylic acid, that is methanoic acid. So it depends upon the type of the catalyst. Last but not the least property of methane, that is slow oxidation or slow combustion. So how this slow oxidation or slow combustion takes place? That is with the oxidizing agent. And here we can use oxidizing agent, that is K2Cr2O7, that is potassium dichromate, or KMNO4, that is potassium permanganate. So any of the catalyst can be used. How this reaction takes place? Slow oxidation. alkane oxidizing agent K2Cr2O7, and from this oxidizing agent nascent oxygen reacts with the alkane and it gives alcohols, and on further oxidation with the oxidizing agent, this will give aldehyde, and aldehyde on further oxidation, that will give carboxylic acid, and this carboxylic acid on further oxidation, that will give carbon dioxide and water vapors. So this is a general reaction. Alkanes on oxidation gives alcohol, alcohols aldehyde, aldehydes carboxylic acid, and carboxylic acid that will give carbon dioxide and water vapors. Let us do this reaction with the methane. Methane, this is nascent oxygen. Nascent means freshly generated. It comes from the oxidizing agent. So both the things should be written, and first alcohol, that is CH3OH, again oxidizing agent, this is methanol, and K2Cr2O7, and this will give aldehyde. First aldehyde is this one, this is methanol, and on further oxidation with this will give carboxylic acid. First carboxylic acid is methanoic acid, and methanoic acid on further oxidation, that will give carbon dioxide plus water vapors. So this is a continuous reaction, this is a chain reaction. Methane on slow oxidation with the oxidizing agent, that is K2Cr2O7, first product is alcohol, that is methanol. On further oxidation it will give aldehyde, that is methanol. On further oxidation it will give methanoic acid, and the last one is carbon dioxide and water vapors. So this is all about properties, chemical properties of methane and ethane. Thank you.